Obviously, your digestive system needs rest. I mean, our digestive system is very busy and hardworking, and people don't realize how much energy it requires for your body to digest food. And it can drain the energy needed for healing, repair, and general maintenance of your body.
Yes.
And so you need to give your digestive system a vacation, just like you need a lot of mini vacations as well.
Yes.
So talk about how does juicing allow yourself to get that digestive rest without doing that full fast?
Got it. So that's a great question. So juice, when it is super high quality, and I'll keep saying that, but the quality of product that you buy is very important. You want the return on your juice investment, the ROI, to sort of be magnified, right? And in order to do that, you do have to make sure that you are getting juice that is vegetable centric, includes mostly plants, and is organic. Otherwise, you are not going to be able to use juice in the way that I'm going to describe. So take green lemonade as an example. Green lemonade is 12 stalks of kale, a whole head of romaine, 1 cucumber, 1 slice of ginger, and 1 lemon. No fruit included, right? So we have super low sugar, low carbohydrate situation because there's no fruit included. And the juice has the viscosity of water. So your body can take in a fasted state, can take in the vegetable juice, right? But it doesn't have to spend an overload of energy digesting it because it is so easily assimilated by the liver and used by the body, right? As an example, if we didn't choose a juice that was certified organic, then our liver would be asked to filter through all the toxins of the pesticide in the juice, thereby really rendering that ROI in the negative, in my opinion. So very, very important. If you're going to drink juice, make certain that it is certified organic and has a seal. Secondly, make sure that your juice is vegetable centric if you want to use it in fasting, because what you don't want, let's take your example of 16 ounces of orange juice. When that juice comes into your body experiences an insulin spike, right? Because all that sugar is coming into your body, but there's no fiber with the fruit to help your body, process it effectively. So that would be a situation where we're not able to stay at digestive rest. If we drink vegetable-centered juice, our body doesn't experience that huge spike in insulin. It can remain at digestive rest and still be nourished with nature's perfect fuel source.